Welcome back to the channel, everybody. It has been a minute. I hope you all had a very Merry Christmas and look forward to a great New Year's. By the time I'm filming this, it'll be, well, by the time this goes out, New Year's will already have happened. So Happy New Year's to everybody and hope everybody had a great one. Today, it is finally that time again. It has been a minute since we've done this. It is Sunday Funday again, and boy, I can't express how excited I am to be filming one of these again. It has been so busy with all the installs, partnerships, sponsorships, all the preparation for a big event coming up in a few months. So guys, we are here at Lowe's, and I don't know what we're doing here exactly. Guys, we're just messing around. It's a Sunday, so stay tuned. If I get anything, you all will see it in the back seat. If I don't, well, then we're just gonna head to the shop, and I've got some things to do there, some organizing, some blah blah blah, whatever, some good stuff. And I've got a few little I think I'm gonna be trying to code a little bit too today, but we'll see how the day goes. But hey, sit back, relax, grab your popcorn, enjoy your Sunday off, and enjoy Sunday Funday. We actually picked up a table, so it's like a build your own shelving unit type thing. Guys, if you ever go to Lowe's and go in the shelving unit area, I don't know what bay it is. Every store's different. This is actually the only Lowe's in Lexington that has this option to be able to build your own shelving units, which is what I do at the shop already for all my shelving. That's the only shelving I have. And it is amazing because I can add on to it if I want to later, or I can keep it the same. It's really cool. So we're headed to the shop now to put this thing together, and James should be meeting us there. I'm not 100% sure, but we'll find out in a little bit, I guess. Who knows? I think he's still in bed, and you know, it's already 12 o'clock on a Sunday. Like, come on. It's Sunday Funday, guys. In one of the previous videos, I told you all that I was gonna leave his Instagram for you all to go like spam him on his Instagram and stuff. You all need to do that. I'm gonna leave it again just in case you all didn't get it. I'm just gonna leave it one more time just so you all can see. I forgot to tell you all, we got orange juice this morning. So this is actually orange juice from McDonald's. Is very good. I'm trying to be healthier, sort of, I guess you could say. I still drink some energy drinks from time to time, but ultimately I am trying to be healthier. That is the goal. That is the New Year's resolution. If you all have a New Year's resolution, leave it down below. I want to see what you all are trying to change or trying to improve on, or trying to, you know, any resolution that you're trying to go for the new year. I want to hear about it down in the comments. So let me know, and I'll see you all at the shop. We finally made it to the shop, and I was just taking a look at the Honda really quick and the engine bay. And I just gotta say, this is really dirty. So we're gonna take care of this right now. Yeah. I really wanna see if I can clean this engine bay up today a little bit, because it really, really needs it. And I'm tired of looking at a dirty engine bay. I hate that. Leave a comment down below if you all hate a dirty engine bay and what you all would do to make sure it stays clean longer, I guess. Leave me some tips down below. I give to you all the brand new engine bay of the Honda. Honda, check. Now it's time to move these cars out into the rain. Unfortunately, I know. I have a little something I want to do to the Volkswagen that has been needing to be done for a while, and it involves the rear wing on the car. My last little wing, little lip, whatever you all want to call it, duckbill. It wasn't even a duckbill. It was like the $50 one from AutoZone. But that one was hard to put on, so I ended up gluing it to the trunk. So what I got was some Goo Gone super glue remover, and it should be able to get rid of all the over residue that's still being shown by the new spoiler, but we'll see. I hope it does. If it doesn't, then, well, we're just gonna have to live with it, I guess. You know, it's a 2015. We're just gonna have to live with it. I used to daily drive it. And yeah, we're just trying to make it look a lot better now, since now it's a fun car. I have two fun cars. I have the BMW and I have the Volkswagen now, and then I use the Honda as a work vehicle during the week. So I'm very, very happy that this Honda is looking a lot better with the engine bay. That makes me feel a lot better about it. I still don't know where James is. He should be here momentarily. And before, oh, I just forgot. We're going to be doing something to this white table over here. It's going to be going bye-bye. So stay tuned to find out what goes there, because I think it's going to be a game changer. We're going to be moving this table somewhere else. We're going to have more room over here, I'm hoping. I'm just so excited. I think I have an idea of what I want to do. It might involve a racing simulator. I don't know. I'm still working on it. I'm still working on it to see if I can actually do it. If I can, awesome. If I can't, well, we're going to figure it out, because that's what we do. All right, here we go. Finally got the Volkswagen in. I'm gonna unload it. I think what we're gonna start with is this table right over here. Yeah, here's what I was talking about, the goof off. So you know, I never can say this right. It's goof off. I don't know if you all have seen the stuff that we've been using, but it's basically corkboard, heavy duty corkboard stuff. So we have that right there, that corkboard right over there, and then we have all the A pillars, the B pillars, all that good stuff in car language. It goes A, B, and C, A being the supports, B being the frame, and C being the actual shelf itself. So that's what we have right there. We have those. I still don't know where James is. Haven't heard from him. I don't know. He could have just vanished off the face of the earth for all I know. So, you know, sometimes it's just a sometimes thing, you know? Well, there it is. The table is finally put together. I'm going to be moving this one over on that wall. And then, well, I'm going to be moving a little bit of stuff around as the week goes on. We're going to go ahead and move on to the next issue, which is the trunk. Now, if you all can see here, right here, I don't know how well the camera will pick this up, but right there is some of the super glue that I had on there from the old wing. We're gonna be using this goof off to try to rub on there and get some of this off. Hopefully it doesn't affect the paint. I don't think it does. We're gonna give her a little run at it, and well, I'll see you all after this time lapse, and hopefully James will be here. I don't know, because we have some work to do. We have to talk about some stuff for some upcoming events, and he was supposed to be here at 11. Crazy story I have to tell you all. Hope you all enjoyed that time lapse. But so, as you all know, we use this super glue remover, this goof off. Now, yes, I said it right. Now, guys, if you all did not know, goof off is like acid. And you know how I figured that out? Is when this cup literally started to crack. It is literally broken. It did this. That's what it did. I don't know how, but this stuff is dangerous. Like, it even seeped through the bottom. Oh my gosh, that stuff is incredible. But anyways, if you use goof off, the super glue stuff, be careful of what you put it in. If you try to put it in a plastic cup, it will go through, and it is very dangerous. If your skin is very sensitive, make sure you wear gloves. That is a very important thing to know. So, verdict. This side looks a lot better. Like, I honestly can't see it unless you're up close. Yeah, that looks a lot better. Now, this side, we're still working on a little bit. I don't know how well you all could see that, but there's a little bit of a spot right there left. It's not going to be perfect. I don't expect it to be perfect. It is what it is, but it does look a lot better. And it looks like it rained a little more because the BMW is wet now. And bird poop. This car needed it to rain, so sweet. I don't know where James is still. He hasn't texted me. He hasn't called me. I think he's ghosting us. Go blow up his Instagram right now because he needs to stop ghosting us. This is very important. This is a very important day, and he doesn't understand that. So I'm going to go get some lunch, and, well, I'll see you all after that, I guess, if he even shows up. Or this might even be the end of the video. I don't know. So if he shows up, then we have more Sunday Funday. If not, I hope you all enjoyed it because, well, James didn't show up, so that's that. I mean, anyways. All right. Well, I'll see you all after lunch if he shows up.